There's an annual gathering of barbecue manufacturers and brands every spring called the Hearth, Patio and BBQ Expo. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I consider the best of what's new in 2025. I'm David Gafford, and here at the Barbecue Lab, we test and review over 100 outdoor cooking and outdoor living products each year to help you find the best gear for your backyard. This year, HPBA was held in New Orleans, and I was able to spend a couple of days walking the exhibit floor, lifting lids, and getting a glimpse of what's coming out in 2025 that you may want in your cooking arsenal. Here's how this is going to work. I walked the entire floor and I selected what I considered to be the best of show. On the last day I was there, I went back and interviewed reps that had the best new products and told them that they could have 60 seconds to tell you about them. I'm going to set a timer on the screen that mirrors the timer I gave them to watch at the show, and when 60 seconds is up, we move on, regardless of whether they were done or not. You want to take a guess on how many of them didn't make it? This is going to be fun. A quick disclaimer, I took a new camera and mic setup and left my camera woman at home, and in hindsight, should have brought Melissa and left the new camera behind. My apologies in advance for the occasionally rough camera work. Now these are in no particular order, so here's the best of HPBA 2025 through the eyes of the Barbecue Lab. All right, I am here with Michael Stone, introducing a new Kamado brand. Tell us about it.
Hi everybody, thank you. This is BSTRD. We're bringing into the country this year. This is a product that is extremely well built. Comes with everything that you see right here, including your side shelves and your base and all of the pieces on the inside. This comes with a split grate and split heat deflector plates, which gives you the ability to cook indirect on half of the grill and direct on the other half of the grill. Everything goes in very easily, and then to clean it out, you just take the whole section out, you can set it down, and then you have all of your charcoal that's in here. Just shake your charcoal to keep the good charcoal left, and then you just use your ash pan to dump the charcoal. Everything goes right back in. Fill up your charcoal, put your cooking grates back in, and you're on your way to cooking again.
I'm here with Matthias over at the Pit Boss booth. You know the drill, 60 seconds. Show us what we got.
Here we go, guys, 60 seconds. Stay with me here, a lot to go over. So this is the new Pit Boss Navigator 1600. So 1600 square inches of cooking space. It's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, touchscreen, the new LCD screen. I'll fire it up here. There you go. It's a 30-pound hopper. You can go ahead and keep track of how much pellets you got in there. We have a new feature here where you actually can plug in something into the grill, so you can charge your phone like I'm doing. You can plug your Christmas lights into there. It comes with a front shelf, side shelf, cutting board, trash bag holder, paper towel holder. Underneath here, new really convenient feature. You can take out the ash removal right there. Also, captive grease tray, so your dog can't get into wherever the grease drippings are. Of course, on the inside you got 3 racks, oven style racks. You can pull them out. And of course, the classic Pit Boss sear zone. Sear steak right there, 1,000 degrees of flame. So thanks for sticking with me. You guys will enjoy.
All right, I've got Kendall here with TrueFlame, and we have this brand new 72-inch vent hood. Kendall, tell us, why did you create one that's so big?
We saw that there was a problem in the market where people were stacking 2 different vent hoods next to each other. So we wanted to create the ability to have your grill, your side burner, your power burner, or griddle next to each other, all under one hood. So that's why we created the 72-inch hood.
Now you have more than just the 72-inch, right?
Yes, we also have a 36, a 42, a 60, and then now our newest 72-inch.
All right, so show me underneath the hood, what is going on up here?
So this is a dual motor vent hood. We have 2 motors here, 2,000 CFMs. We have LED lights across the whole vent hood. We have 4 different speed settings, a removable dishwasher safe filtration system, and yeah, 304 stainless steel.
It looks great. I'm just gonna say I love this size for outdoor kitchens. All right, I'm here with Ray Lampe, the Dr. Barbecue, over at the African Charcoal Company booth. Ray, tell me about this stuff.
David, I was about half retired, and I learned about African charcoal, so I'm sort of coming out of retirement. It's a new product to the market. It's really great stuff. I want you to look at this is a bag we poured out. This is what it looks like. All the pieces, they're big, but they're not too big. They're just the right size. It's clean. It's really good quality charcoal. It's made with acacia wood. This is acacia wood. If you knew how heavy this piece of wood was for a dried out piece of wood, it's just a new product. And so I took it home and said, well, okay, well, I'll cook with it. We'll see how this goes. It lights really easy for dense, big charcoal like this. I was really impressed with that. I keep cooking and cooking out of the same bag. It's just lasting a long time. And I mean, this is what I do. I know if all of a sudden this bag of charcoal is lasting a long time, and it is. So it's really exciting. It's coming straight from South Africa. It's a sustainable product, FSC certified, because they're clearing the savanna, and it's a good thing. The African government appreciates it. Turns out the wood is really good for making charcoal and for burning. We also sell the logs, but the charcoal is what I'm all about. I think it's great stuff. So I'm really excited to be here with a new product. This is going to be a big deal.
We're here at Blackstone. This is Chris. He knows the drill. 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
Walk us through.
Awesome, everyone. Good to meet you. This is the Blackstone 4-burner drop-in griddle. This is one of our new items to our specialty barbecue, and this is great for our outdoor patio areas. Obviously, you can see it right now. It's paired with a great cabinet. We're able to do this with the 304 stainless steel. It's a reinforced hood as well. And then we're just gonna go work all the way up. Has the grease tray back in here. We have it locked in right now so it doesn't get pulled out during the show. And then everything before here, we have automatic auto start here. So this will indicate when it's turning on, and then it will turn off when it's ongoing. And we have it lighted up for here. Down below, we have all our light fixtures down below. So you can see here, we have a dimmer here, and then you can turn everything off right here as well. And then everyone loves the cast iron. Flat top's the best way to cook because you can cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner on here. All these are rust resistant. They're dipped in a seed oil and they're burned and ready to go. You do still, as always, we want to season these griddles so they're protected and a non-stick surface on here. We've had these out for just a little over a year now. I would love to see everyone be cooking on their outdoor barbecue.
It's time for the question of the day. If you had a chance to walk up to one of these booths and ask a question, who would you ask and what would you ask them? Are you going to Pit Boss and asking when they're going to release a pizza oven? Maybe BSTRD asking if they're trying to sneak a cuss word into our videos. What's your question and who is it for? Let us know down in the comments below. We're over here at Chicago Brick Oven, and this is probably what you know them for, the full refractory brick oven that you can do masonry and everything around. But here we are at their booth, and I want to introduce you to Philip. And Philip, what in the world do we have going on here? This looks like an oven or a range.
This is our newly released professional range for your home. It is made right here in the heart of America, USA made product, and we transition our refractory pizza ovens into the range with this beautiful stone. But that's not the only thing. It comes with a really nice peel and an IR gun to measure the temperature. And regarding this range, it comes in a dual fuel or all gas option with 3 different colors and 2 different options for the accent, as a brass or a fully stainless steel, open or sealed burners, and preset for LP or NG from the factory for you.
All right, I'm here at Napoleon. I have Adele, who's volunteered to be on camera. Adele has 1 minute to cover the brand new series that they have starting now.
Okay, I don't know how I'm going to get through it all, but I will try. We have our Prestige 665 connected grill here. This beautiful grill has connectivity. So what that means is you can monitor your grill from anywhere in your home. We have safety glow knobs that shine blue to indicate that the gas is on. So at night you have full visibility. We have wave cooking grids to prevent food from falling through the cracks. They are 8.5 millimeters. And what they do is they allow for evenness of heat, and they are highly differentiated for Napoleon. You will only find wave cooking grids at Napoleon. We've included an infrared rear burner with a rotisserie kit included, as well as a sizzle zone, which is our infrared side burner here, so that you can see your steaks. In 30 seconds, it will heat up to 1,800 degrees. We sell them all.
All right, with 3 seconds to spare, Videl crushed it. All right, I've got Chad here with Renaissance Cooking Systems, and Chad, I saw this little paper and it got me very excited. So tell me what we got here.
Well, just wanted to ask you, do you like Sonic Ice?
I love it.
You love it, right? Now, I know you can get a lot of Sonic type ice machines that fit on your countertop at your home, but how about a full-size crunchy nugget ice machine for the backyard?
Chad, tell me what I'm seeing here.
So this is our full-size nugget ice machine, outdoor rated for the backyard. Makes 55 pounds of ice per day and it'll hold 26.
So you're telling me I could probably not ever use that much ice?
You probably could. I'm a little addicted to it as well. But now you can just have a ton of it right whenever you want it.
All right, I'm here with Chuck from Videl. He's got 60 seconds. Tell us about what we see here.
All right, guys, Videl grills, USA made. Guys, this is our brasa. This is our Argentinian style grill. If you're wanting a unique grilling experience, here it is. You put your wood down here, full 304 stainless steel the entire way. Put your wood down here and get it fired up. You guys, we've got multiple cooking grades. We've got 9mm cooking grades. We've got custom cooking grades. If you want to put your last name, a company logo, we got you. You want to do some flavorizing with your meat, you guys, we've got those as well. We've got this crank which will either increase or decrease the height to adjust the temperature. And along the top, you guys, we've got some meat hooks for you as well. If you want a unique grilling experience, we have it for you here at Videl. This is our 304 stainless steel, USA made brasa.
You got 15 seconds. What's this hole right here?
Yeah, we got a rotisserie. So if you want to do a rotisserie on this, you guys, we got you. That's going to come included with the grill as well. So if you want more information, check it out on our website. This is our brasa.
I've got Jordan over here with the brand new Summerset oven. Jordan, you've got 60 seconds. Tell us about it.
All right, I'm Jordan with Summerset Grills. This is our brand new hybrid pizza oven. It is dual fuel, so inside on here you have the wood burner, and this side you have the gas burner. So if you look inside here after removing this, you have a tray here for your fuel. There's a 9,000 BTU jet burner that ignites that fuel. You can turn that off and then you're cooking with wood. Otherwise, you can come around here and turn this on, and there's a large L burner that pushes out 40,000 BTUs of heat. There's 390 square inches of cooking surface here. You get all that once you remove this if you're cooking on just gas. But we're really excited about this product. It is stainless steel, powder coated. You have the chimney up here where you can let more heat out, close it up to get a little bit hotter. But yeah, super excited. It's going to be accessories going to come as an option. We have a tray, a rake, pizza peel, and a steel wool brush so that you can keep it clean and keep this thing lasting
3 seconds.
a long time.
I'm over here at Broil King, and I've got Andrew, who's going to show us through the new Regal IQ system. Andrew, go.
Thank you, man. So this is our new Regal IQ system gas grill. And what we did was we took our pellet grill technology and we put it into our gas grills. So you can actually not only look at the temperature that you're cooking at, but you can actually control your temperature from the phone. So we turn it on, got a huge display. This is made in Huntington, Indiana, USA. We got a fully loaded grill. With our very thick stainless steel cooking grids. We've got rotisserie with rotisserie kit, and also an infrared side burner. And the best way to control this thing, if you want to talk about, features and benefits and everything like that, we have a full range of knob lights. Press it again, you've got your interior oven lights. With the demo mode that we have it on right now, it'll cycle through all of the colors that we have.
Oh, you got 5 seconds.
Propane model also comes with a pull-out propane tank scale. And there you have it. Let me know down in the comments below which one is the winner of the show for you. Was it a grill, pizza oven, griddle? I look forward to continuing the conversation in the comments, and I know the manufacturers will be reading them as well, so let them know what you think of what's new in barbecue. I'm David, and this time I was the out-of-focus cameraman, and Melissa had nothing to do with it. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.